Hello, and today we're going to be opening up this keyboard. It's the GK61, the white version. I think I have silver switches, since I got it straight out of the box. I might get yellow switches, which is faster, I think. But for now, I don't have enough time to get those. I just want to get the keyboard and just play. Oh, why is it so tough to open? Why am I having so much trouble with this? Everything I open.
Yes, he has 3 hands. He has 3 hands.
That's obviously my third hand. I got it for Christmas. Shit. Why do I suck at this?
I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be open like really nicely, and we just kind of destroyed it.
Okay, it doesn't matter. It gets the point through. Open the thing and get the freaking keyboard out of it.
Whoa!
Literally clicking the bubbles.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get this out.
Is there a manual? Is that a manual for a keyboard?
It's a manual for a keyboard. Now, what's under it? Oh yeah, the charge. Not the charge. This is This thing is for so you can make it wired like my mouse. I think this is the. Is it? Yeah, it's the switch changer. This thing you can use to take out the keys and switch the keys.
Oh, why would you ever want to do that though? I've never had a situation where I wanted to do that.
And same thing with this, I'm pretty sure. But the reason why you would want, because sometimes the thing doesn't come with the best keys, with the best switches. So like the best, that's why people love mechanical keyboards, because they want to switch out the keys. Because then you could get the yellow Gateron switches, which is like the best switches. Alright, if you want to hear what it sounds like, here it is. It actually makes so much noise.
ASMR time.
No, I literally did not expect it to make this. I don't actually know how to take this out.
Yes, light it.
I don't know how to take it out. So I've never used this.
Gotta get real deep like this. Never mind.
I think it's yellow.
I feel stupid now.
Yeah, you should. Well, I know it's silver. I don't need to show you. I never know how to use these. I'll figure it out later.
We had to figure it out, so.
It's silver, okay? It's silver. How do I light it up? Which button is it to turn on?
I feel like we need to put batteries in it first.
How do I do that?
Yeah, seriously, where do you put the battery?
Oh, we need the laptop. Alright, I can, yeah, you need to go and get the laptop.
Show the keyboard while I get the laptop there.
Okay.
For some reason, I'm saying
So this, wait, what are these stuff? 1, 2, 3. I don't know actually what this is. What is that? Oh yeah, and this is a 60% keyboard. So of course there's no arrows or ones, and I actually think that these two are merged. F1 and 1. It's a gaming keyboard, so no need for really F1. No one really uses this when you play. To delete. I don't know actually what. Oh, yeah, it feels. This spacebar feels so nice.
The laptop is here.
Oh, my bag. I was just showing them what it was. It was a 60% keyboard. Is it on?
Did you bring a charger?
Oh no.
We're fricked.
Nice. Epic Games. I think there's another one here. If not, we could just help and wait.
Okay, you gotta plug it in.
Plug it in. Here. I don't know how this works, so.
No. Let me show you.
Is it
Go.
on? Okay. Oh!
There we go.
Which button is which? Which one changes the colors?
None. They just stay the same color, Dylan.
No, you get to change the colors.
Check on the back. The back always has the
That's
buttons.
the manual.
Or the manual has it.
It's in a different language. Congratulations. I
Wait,
don't understand
what?
the thing is. Oh, never mind. That's one thing.
English. Stop.
Oh.
What?
Okay. Casually sews the password to our keyboard.
Yeah, I don't think anyone will pay that much attention. Seriously. There we go.
And I typed it wrong. Right.
What? No,
Sorry,
you
new
just click the
keyboard.
space bar. It's an amazing looking keyboard.
This feels so weird.
Are you gonna play Fortnite?
Now I'm going to check out how I use this thing. Oh. Done, figured it out. So you can make the entire thing go like this. And then you can rotate it, or you can make it... Oh, that's actually kind of weird. That's kind of cool. And what was that last one? Oh, this one's like a swirl. Which one do you like better? This, which is just like sideways? You like this?
This one?
Oh, and it lights up whenever you press it.
No. It's only W. Oh, wait, so.
Oh, and you can turn off the light with this. Okay.
So, I think we had a good look at this keyboard. And I think that Dome's gonna play around with the buttons a bit. And I'm just gonna slowly come up and just run.